Good morning, class. How was your night? I'm happy to see you this morning. Today we are going to be looking at our next topic in mathematics, which is statistics. We are going to dive into it and to get to know more about it. Now, I have some examples here. Have you ever heard your teacher saying that 80% of you scored grades that are exceeding expectations? I can have a few answers from you. Or have you ever had most people here choosing the kind of car they will drive when they grow up? Well, we can have time to look at that later. Yeah, but as we talk about all this, we are collecting some data. We are talking about statistics. What is statistics, therefore? Has any of you ever heard of that term? Well, we'll look at that again. But statistics is all about collecting data, organizing it, and analyzing it, and finding a way to present it. Now, statistics is very useful in daily life, as governments use it, as I have highlighted, to make decisions regarding their population. Governments need to know the population and also the demographic data of their people in order for them to organize and plan services and other utilities. That is one of them. Who in the class can tell us how else data can be used or statistics can be used by government or other parastatals or any other organization? We'll look at your answers as we continue. Now, statistics begins with collection of raw data. What is raw data? Raw data is that data which has not been organized but has been collected, and in the process of these lessons, following each other, we are going to look at how to organize that data and tabulate and present it. But for today, our main objective is that we want to learn, by the end of this lesson, we can define some statistical terms like the raw data, and also secondly, we can also be in a position to collect some raw data from the class. Now, what are some of the raw data that you can collect from the class? We'll look at that again. But for today, I would like you to collect data regarding some of the things that we come across in daily life. For example, we would like to know what is the mean age of the students in the class. Now, I have introduced another new term, which is mean age. But for now, can you go around and collect the data regarding the age of all the students in this class? Secondly, we are also going to look at other types of data. We are going to look at the collection of other types of issues like shoe size. That is also raw data. Another type of raw data, I'm sure you are having some in the mind that you can tell me about. But we are talking about the things we encounter every day. Even some of you who love football. Can I see some of you who love football and other games? Which are your favorite games? Let me hear a few answers. We are talking about all that into bringing it into statistics and collecting all the data. We'll continue from there, but for now, can you go around collecting the data from the students in the class regarding the ages, and then we shall work on it and proceed from there. Thank you.